County right now, you're going to get blasted. I am seeing such tremendous winds coming in with this thunderstorm. If you're watching us in Middleburg, you're feeling it right now as we speak. The windows are probably shaking with the thunderstorms that are coming through. And this is moving up towards Doctors Lake. And this is it right now. Over the next hour, Duval, St. John's, Clay, we're getting the severe weather.
Wow.
So the radars are just lit up. Take a look here. You can see the squall line. And what's very distinguishing are these bowing segments. That is where we're getting the damaging winds. You can see it. It's just like a boomerang, right? So where it bows is where you get the strongest winds. Orange Park, you're right on the apex of that. So what we're seeing are winds at 90 miles an hour coming straight down, channeled down into the ground, blowing across Doctors Inlet. The Buckman Bridge is going to get rattled here as this bow segment in this entire squall line blows right into the St. Johns River and then into Julington Creek. So Middleburg, you're seeing this one particular storm that is quite threatening, but the entire line extends up into Riverside and Avondale. But it's the bow segment there that is the most damaging, where we're probably getting those 60 to 70, possibly even higher wind speeds. Here's the airport. We showed you the pictures. They're right in the core of the red. So if you're watching us on the beach right now and you're saying, oh, the rain's not too bad, well, this thunderstorm is tracking your way. So although the airport is getting the rain, we can put a track on this storm, take it out towards the coast in Talbot Island here at 1034. Although the west side's getting hammered now, this is going to come right through UNF and reach Jack's Beach. And we'll see it come into Queens Harbor at 10:35. You've got your alarm clock set. I guarantee you're going to get some power fluctuations, especially here in Clay County. We're already getting reports of that. So you may want to have your cell phone on so your alarm will wake you up, because if you get some power outages, you know how that goes with the clocks. All right, so there you can see Kingsland, St. Mary's. You're seeing some pretty bad weather as well. This is going to work up towards Nassauville and Fernandina Beach and Amelia Island. Also, we've got some damaging winds that have extended all the way back into Georgia. Not a good time to be out on the roadways with power lines going down and the issues that we're seeing. Here you can see the west side. This is the way it looks on I-10 and 295. Not a good time to be out there driving around, especially with those winds, because we're not used to driving with these high winds. These are the type of winds that come in about 5 minutes of no notice. So you're looking at 5 minutes of just whipping like tropical storm force winds. And you can see the flashes of lightning. It's quite disorienting out there. And then the hydroplaning. The rain is coming down very quickly. And it's just this wall of water, an entire wall of water coming in on Jacksonville right now as we speak. So I've been telling you for all evening long, put off your errands, because it's just hazardous weather out there. Severe thunderstorm warning for our entire area until 10:45, and the lightning is just flashing left and right out there. So back to that one severe thunderstorm over Doctors Inlet. Now we're seeing possible rotation in here. No surprise with this bow echo. When you see the bowing, usually on the north side in this area around West Side and up through the Timuquana area there, that's probably where we could see any type of rotation if we were to get some tornadoes. But right now, it's looking like straight line winds aimed towards Bowden, San Marco, into Beechwood, and eventually into the UNF area with those high winds. So that's the big concern here. These gusty winds just cranking, gusts to 70, 80 miles per hour. Small threat, as we've seen. There have been a few tornado warnings issued as well. So when does this clear on out? Well, here at 11 o'clock, you're still going to be tracking the storms with me. No one's going to sleep with all that thunder out there. But in St. Augustine, you're finally going to get in on the action, because you've just been sitting on the sideline. Then it clears out. The tornado watch will be discontinued at 12. There will be no reason to extend this later in the evening. So after 12 o'clock, this thing is racing 60 miles an hour off to the east. It will be out of here, so that you'll get some sleep through the evening. We'll wake up in the morning with dry weather, and the weather will actually be sunny, unlike what we're seeing out there on the roadways with all that rain. This wind that we'll have will actually dry up some of the puddles very quickly for tomorrow morning. But the wind, 20 miles per hour overnight, could cause some problems with power outages to get you through the night. So don't be surprised if some of your lights go out here through the evening. On to tranquil weather tomorrow. But what a change. Instead of the cloudy skies, the windy weather, we're talking about sunshine and cool temperature. Your high only goes to 61 after tying a record today of 85 degrees. Tomorrow, no records, just cool weather, seasonal temperatures. And you see the coolness continues into Saturday, 36 in the morning, very chilly. And then as we head towards next week, temperatures start to warm back into the 70s. All right, I'll be back with more coming up in just a bit.
All right, thank you.